Hi guys, today I'll show you this big project. They poured the slab yesterday. You can see the insulation here, the edge here. You can see socket control joint here, low spot. You can see plumbing, diamond, anchor bolts. Over there, steel structure. Here, steel structure. You can see they put around the plumbing, the insulation. Same thing here. Big anchor bolts, low spots. You can see how they put around the pipe, the plumbing, just in case if they need to move it a little bit. Safety cup everywhere. That's a big project. You can see here they put the concrete for exterior, for block work, and you can see the dowel, 1-inch dowel. That's block work. Foundation, you can see how it is wide. Block, big block, large size. And here the steel structure. You can see the header, interior walls, exterior walls, rebars.